Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Bytes. Today we're solving LeetCode's first problem, 2sum. Given an array of integer nums and an integer target, return the indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. So we have given an array of nums and target. Okay, so first understand it by first example. Nums 2, 7, 11 and 15 is given and target 9 is also given. So we are using here two for loops. First will start from I equal to 0 up to I equal to 3. And the second for loop will start from j equal to I plus 1 up to 3. This is because we have to add first number with its second number. Okay. We can't add the same number in itself. So we're using I plus 1. Okay. So 2 plus 7 makes our target 9. So nums index 0 plus nums 1 equal to 9. So we have to return 0 and 1 as our output. Okay. So this is the idea behind it. Now let's code it. For our first method, we are using two for loops. Okay. First one is for I equal to 0 up to I equal to 3 nums length, and second one would be j equal to I plus 1 up to its length. Okay. But the problem with this method is its time complexity. The time complexity would be big O of n square. Okay. So we have written for int I equal to 0 up to nums length and I plus plus. Again we are using for int j equal to I plus 1. J is less than nums dot length j plus plus. Okay, so after that we are checking the condition if nums I plus nums j equal to target. So we are using if nums I plus nums j equal to target, then we have to return our new array. Okay, so we are using return new int square bracket in curly braces I and j we have to return. Okay, so return new int square bracket in curly braces we have to return the value of I and j. After that we have to return our nums. So this is the first method we are iterating using two for loops. Okay, so we will check if it's done well and it got accepted, then it's well and good. Okay, we are running it and it is accepted. Okay, after submitting it we will check its time complexity. Okay, its runtime is 46 milliseconds and it beats 19.16%. So it is not a good solution. So we'll go for our second solution, which is brute force method. So basically the idea behind it is we are subtracting our first number by our target. So 9 minus 2, we will get 7. Okay. So we will check if 7 is present in our array or not. If it is present, then return the indices of the two numbers that makes our target. So this is the idea behind it. And for that we are using hash map. So hash map integer. We have used here integer because int nums and int target are both int type and we are using here wrapper class of int. Okay. So we have to give the name to this hash map. Okay, map equal to new hash map. Okay. Now we have to use only one for loop, that is int I equal to 0, I is less than nums dot length I plus plus. Okay, in that we will need one variable that is int complement that is equal to target minus nums I. So we are subtracting the target with the first number and check if the complement is present in the array or not. For that, we are using if condition. If map.contains key complement. Okay, if the complement is present in the map, then we have to return its index. Okay, so we are coding it. Return new int square bracket, again in curly braces, map.get complement and I should return. Okay. Okay, map.get complement I. After we get it, we have to put it in our map. Okay, so again we have to use map.put. Okay, so this is done, and after that we have to use map.put. After putting it back to the map, it will check, and if it is correct, then we have to return the new int, which includes the indices of the two numbers whose addition is equal to our target. So map.put is done, and we have to return new int square bracket and curly braces. So this one is a better brute force method than our first method. So its time complexity would be big O of n, which is quite good than our first solution. So most coders will prefer this method. Okay, return new int square bracket and curly braces. Okay, now we are running this. I hope it got accepted. Yeah, it is accepted and we're submitting it. Okay, its runtime is 2 milliseconds and it beats 98.90%. So that's good. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and like to our channel.